We all know the saying, the gift that keeps on giving, right? We
Yeah.
know that. I just thought of this. PPOs are the thief that keep robbing you. This was a practice that collected just over $1 million last year. That's a nice, strong practice, isn't it?
Right.
Solo doc, nice, strong hygiene department. But what did he have to produce, Naren, to collect $1 million? He had to produce 1,500,000.
Five. Right.
To collect that. And I shared another example of a client of ours that's around $1 million practice. I said, this is a practice that spends about $30,000 a year on marketing. How would you like to spend? So, I mean, this became kind of a fun, playful conversation. Again, we're in a Zoom meeting, with video. And I said, doctor, let me check your intelligence for just a minute. And you can call a friend if you like. I'll be your friend. If you want to call me, I'll be your friend. But what would you rather spend? Would you rather spend $500,000 a year or $30,000 a year on marketing? Take as long as you like. What would you rather spend? And he said, let me think about it. How about 30, Gary? And I said, ding, 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 ding. You're right. And it gave him insight that was just a breakthrough for him, to realize that. Like I said, he could scrub his profit and loss statement all he wants. And by the way, we should. We should. Look at our expenses and make sure there's no waste there, right? It's like if you are trying to monitor your water bill at home, we want to make sure there's no leaky faucets, right?
Yeah.
The drip, because the drip doesn't look like much, but it adds up over a 30 or 31 day month, right? Sure. So yeah, I'm not saying don't look at your profit and loss statement, but can we agree that those savings represent grains of sand on the beach compared to the 500,000 a year he's just giving away right off the top?
Yeah, and he's doing it year after year after year after year. So when you look at a 30-year career, 500,000 times 30 is $15 million. I mean, that's like, you could own 5 homes. You could own, you could be like in the super wealthy category if you don't give that up.
We all know the saying, the gift that keeps on giving, right? We know that. I just thought of this. PPOs are the thief that keep robbing you.
Right.
Literally, PPO plans, those insurance companies are the thief that keep robbing you.
Right.
And I'm going to suggest that we put an end to that thief.
Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to click like. The full podcast episode link is below. Be sure to click that if you'd like to listen to the entire podcast episode. And most importantly, be sure to ring the bell to subscribe. That means every time we upload a new episode, you'll be the first to be notified. Thanks so much.